In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a Kanban table in Notion. By the end, you'll have a customizable board for managing tasks, projects, or workflows with ease. Open Notion and create a new page. Type board and select board full page or board inline, depending on where you want to create your Kanban board. You can also start with a Kanban template from the templates gallery if you prefer. Once the board is created, you'll see columns such as to do, in progress, and done. Rename these columns to match your workflow or add new ones if you need additional stages. Click New in any column to create a task. Give the task a title, then add properties such as due dates, priorities, tags, assignees, or notes. You can drag and drop cards between columns as work progresses. Customize your board by adding filters, sorting options, or different views to organize tasks the way that works best for you. If you're collaborating with others, share the page and assign tasks to your team members. If your board doesn't display correctly, make sure you're using a board database view. You can also switch an existing database to a board view if needed. That's how to build a Kanban table in Notion. Thanks for watching.